Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for April 5th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving diagonal consecutive by Bill Murphy. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box. Additionally, we have some lines in the grid. They are diagonal lines, and they tell us that the digits next to each other on the line must be consecutive, so have a difference of 1. This is like consecutive dots, but we can't use dots as effectively when we're going diagonally. You can do that. That constraint applies to both diagonals, but this is using lines, so we're only caring about this diagonal for these two cells, and so on. Those are the rules. So we'll start with 1. It's our minimum digit. There's only one thing it's consecutive with, and that's 2. And if 2 is on this line, then these can't be 2, so they're 4. These are 5 and 7 in some order because of the 6. This can be 1 or 3, this can be 3 or 5, and this could be 4, 6, or 8. There is a note with the Discord post, digits can repeat. Obviously, they're going to have to when you have something like this, so that's there just in case you need a reminder. The only digit next to 9 is 8, so this is 7 and 9. And now the 7 can't be next to 8, so it must be next to 6, and this is 5 or 7. I'm noticing we could do some even odd coloring. I was just solving the Borderlands puzzle that comes after this one. I'm going to be posting a bunch of videos in the opposite order. Anyway, we could be coloring odd and even. It is relevant for a consecutive puzzle, but we'll see if we can do it without. 2 can go next to 1 and 3, but there's a 3 there, so this must be 1, 3 in that order, and that's going to resolve 5 and 7. This is 5 now, and this is 7, and this is 9. Don't resolve 1, 3. A little bit of a symmetry break there. These are 4, 5, and 7, but we got 5 there and a 7 in the row. Across here we have 1, 4, and 9, and the only thing this can be is a 9 because of that. I was also going to say this can't be a 1 because we have a 2 in the box, but it is a 9, and that means it has to go like that. Can't go back to 9 because we're in the same box. So these are 1, 4. That is colors. That is not what I was trying to do. 1, there's no 2 available, so this is 4. It can't go 4, 5, 6 because of the 6, so it must go 4, 3, 2. This is 1 now. These are 1, 5, and 9. The one placed by that one. These are 3 and 7. These are 5 and 6, and 5 is not next to 3, or these aren't 3 or 7 in the first place. Never mind. I knew there was a 4 somewhere, and then I saw this 4 and got confused. Anyway, there's a 4 here, and that's going to resolve this. So 4 goes next to 5, not 6. Okay, here, we need 9 here, because of this 9. 1 and 8 are resolved. We're going to do something very similar here. So we have 3, 7, and 8. The 7, 8 in the column make this a 3, and the 7 makes that an 8. 7 here. This can't go 8, 9, 10. That doesn't work, so this must be 8, 7, 6. This could be 3, 2, 1, except for that 1 there, so this must be 3, 4, 5. These are 3, 5, and 9. The 5 here. 3, 9. These are 1 and 8, which are resolved by the 8 down here. 8's going to go next to 9, not the 7, and that's a 2. And these are resolved. And these are not. 1, 3 there. These are going to be 6 and 8, 2 and 4. Alright, the 7 now can't go next to 8. This must be 6. The 1 had to go next to 2 all along. I just missed that. Here we have 4 and 5, which we can do. We have 1, 2, and 9, which we can do the 1 for. Actually, we can do it all. We've got 2 2s now. 3, 7, 8. We're not going to be able to do. We need a 6 in this row. That's got to go there. This can't be 8, so that's 3. That's going to resolve this pair finally. Here we have 1, 4, which we can do. That resolves 1 and 3, 3 and 7, 7, 8, and here 9 and 5. That's the solution. So a really straightforward puzzle, but with some variety in the deductions, which is really nice. Yeah, I like this variant. It's not one we see very often, I don't guess. Usually when we're doing consecutive, we're doing Kropke pairs or something along those lines, Renbon for a consecutive set. So this is different. The logic works a little differently. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it as well. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.